Yeah, fire's out.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, I think I got a visual at one. Oh.
What do you see there?
All I'm seeing is a big round circle. All I see is that. Oh, it's getting a little bit bigger. It's some kind of rotating thing. Looks just like a UFO.
Really?
Yes, it just looks like
No way.
Of course.
I think we should call it like a news channel or something. Where? Where do you see that?
Oh, it's getting a little bit more bigger and
Oh.
brighter. I see a light on it. Oh, there's a little guy piloting it on the top.
Huh. What else do you see there, kiddo?
I see. Oh, I see a even smaller circle. Holy cow. Oh, it's getting more lighter. Oh, what is this thing? What do you think this thing is?
I don't know. What do you think it looks like?
It looks just like an alien UFO. Just.
Are you sure it's just
Holy! Oh
Huh.
my gosh!
What?
It's a mothership.
A mothership?
An alien mothership, I
Yeah.
think. It can't be. It's huge. You can't see anything. It's very far away.
We can only see it right here on the Vivitar telescope.
Yes.
Junior Godfrey's birthday. I mean...
Not birthday, for Christmas, yes.
And Christmas is what now, Junior?
God's birthday.
That's right.
But, all I don't know is that where are these things? There's already in here. Hey. Everywhere I look, there's alien motherships. Weird. Let's try moving over there, see what happens.